Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. Firstly, make sure that your headphones are charged. Maybe you have the problem because one of your earbuds just discharged. Put them to the charging case and connect the case to the power. Then is to perform the soft reset. To perform the soft reset, put both of them to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. Then open the case, remove your earbuds from the charging case and check is it fixed. Also, sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that they don't want to reconnect to your phone automatically. If you have this problem, go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list just tap at your headphones. Okay, if the soft reset didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time don't close the case. If you close it, don't worry, just open the lid, and at the right side we have connectional button. Press and hold at the connectional button for at least 10 seconds until you will see that the LED light on the front side flashes red. So press and hold, firstly it starts blinking white, don't worry about it, it just entered to pairing mode, just keep holding connectional button. And we have the red LED light. You can release your finger and then open settings, go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. We need to reconnect them with the phone. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Forget this device, or you may have forget button, forget device, unpair, remove or something else, and forget device. You will remove them. Without it, if you try to reconnect them, you tap on them. On iOS, it will ask you to remove them. On Android, it will show you mostly connectional problem. So, remove them. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at that button. Now we should see them at the device list, tap at your headphones, and we just reconnect them. If you want to reconnect also headphones to the application, open your app, HUAWEI Air Live or HUAWEI Connect, and if it asks you to pair them, click pair. Because sometimes it do not ask you to pair them, I don't know why. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!